Today's mission, the precise analysis of a large field in the shortest possible time with maximum depth of information, identifying plant conditions, making disturbances visible, evaluating yield potential. Precision farming is just one of many tasks made possible by modern drone technology. But how does this mission become reality? Which drone is the right one? Which sensors are required? And how is the operation prepared so that, in the end, exactly the data needed is captured? Perhaps you have faced this question yourself. How can drone technology be taught in a practical way, not as an abstract topic, but as something tangible? Sensors, flight mechanics, and data transmission are all covered, yet the interaction within the real system often remains invisible. Many drones are designed for recreational use, easy to operate, but hardly suitable for truly understanding the technology. This is exactly where the Drone Skills Lab comes in, a globally unique, complete solution for practical drone technology in education and training. Your learners work with real components. They select drone types, integrate sensors, wire systems, and commission them independently. They experience how technical decisions influence flight behavior and mission success. The learning process follows a clear structure, from the mission to the technical solution. Analyze the task, select the drone, build, configure, and calibrate the system. Before the drone takes off in real life, learners train in the simulation. With the original remote controller, they develop flight competence, orientation, and safety, realistically and without risk. Then comes the real flight. The skills developed beforehand are applied directly. Simulation and practice connect seamlessly. The Drone Skills Lab teaches more than flying. It creates system understanding, from mission planning and technical configuration to operation and maintenance. At the center is real experience learning through real experience, with real hardware, direct interaction, and immediate feedback, turning technology into true understanding, and learners into skilled professionals who do not just fly drones, but master them as complete systems. Drone Skills Lab, learn the system behind the flight,